Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install NVM on WSL2. NVM is the Node version manager, and with NVM we are able to quickly switch between different versions of Node.js. We are also able to install new versions of Node.js, and I'm using NVM since a couple of years. It's the most popular Node version manager there is, and we can go ahead and utilize that on Ubuntu in WSL2, as you can see right here. And I'm going to show you guys how to install that, how to set it up, how to install a Node.js version, how to switch between versions, and of course how to install new versions of Node.js using NVM. As you guys know, we always provide a written guide that goes along with our videos, and this is no different. I will leave the link in the video description below. If you are watching this video on my website or on Humix, you can click on the article link in the upper left corner of your video player right now, or you just go in the link on the description, or you go to cosec.com and search for install NVM. And once you open that guide, this is why I want to show you this, there is a whole section on top as a first point here. If you click on it, important NVM commands, where we summarize the most important and commonly used NVM commands that you need on a daily basis to keep things easy and simple. So if you want to check that out, make sure to open that website. And also I'm going to follow along the steps exactly as they are written in this written tutorial. So in case I'm moving too fast, or in case you want to copy and paste the syntax that I'm using in this video, open up the article, use that as a help for you guys to be faster and follow along easily. There are two different ways we can use to install NVM on WSL2. We can either use curl or we can use wget. At least those are the easiest ways that we found to install that. So I'm going to copy and paste the line of code here with the curl command from the written article. And if you want to make sure you install the latest version, head to the link to the official GitHub repository in the written guide and open that up and adjust this command as needed. We try to update the article as often as possible, but we cannot keep up with all of the new version releases. If you run this command and it's an older version in there, no problem, it will automatically update afterwards, and that should be fine. Okay, so we run this command. This is downloading and installing NVM automatically. And once you have installed it, you need to source your config file by simply doing source. If you are on ZSH like me, you do the squiggly line /.ZSHRC. If you are on bash, you do squiggly line /dot and bashrc. If you have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, you just have to restart your terminal and this will also work. So in case, I'm just gonna open up my Ubuntu again, close the old one, and that should work then. Let's see if that actually works. To verify the installation, just type in NVM, and if something comes up, you are all good to go. We can also do NVM - version to check the currently installed NVM version, and as you can see, it's on 0.39.2, so that worked fine. We are all set and ready to go. Okay, now that we have the installation verified, we can actually go ahead and install Node. You don't need to separately install Node or anything. You can just directly use NVM to install Node. This is the beauty on it. So you can just do NVM install Node to automatically install, download, and install the latest version of Node.js. Now I already have it installed, so there will be an error message. And once you download it, and you don't have it installed yet, it will automatically download, extract, install, and also switch over to the current version of Node.js. If you, on the other hand, want the LTS version of Node, you can just do NVM install, install with 2L, Node --LTS. And yeah, that was not the correct command. I always mess that up. It's actually NVM install, then --LTS. So now installing latest LTS version, boom, it's already installed as well. That's why I get the error message here. And then another important command is NVM list, and this lists all your installed NVM versions and a bunch of garbage down here that always comes up on WSL. But you see the currently installed versions up here. So these are the versions I have currently installed, and now you can see we are on the LTS version. Now if you want to switch back to another version, you can simply do that by typing NVM use, and then let's go back to the latest version like this, and that's it. That's all you need to switch between NVM or Node.js versions. And if you want to install a completely different version of Node.js, like an older version, you can simply do that by looking at the supported version. So we can do NVM ls-remote here. And this gives us a whole very long list of supported Node versions. So you can see it even goes back to 0.1.14 in case should you ever need that. But if you need it, it's there. Let's just do an example here. I'm gonna copy that 15.3.0. So to install an older version of this list, you just do nvm install and then the version number that you want, and boom, downloading. I found that the older versions sometimes are slower in the download. Maybe they throttled that a bit, but you can see it's downloaded, and we are now using version 15.3.0 with the accompanying npm version there as well. So you're all up and running. You should be familiar with the basics of NVM, of the Node version manager now, and you should have no trouble whatsoever in using the Node version manager. Alright guys, I hope this video helped. If you like that, make sure to subscribe to my Humix channel. I publish videos almost every day on topics of ethical hacking and web development. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.